So this is another breast pump. We'll have a look and take it apart and see what's inside. 4 AA batteries. This is the power adapter, the original one. I can see the brand name. 6 volt, hard to see. It's very tiny. 4.6 or 4.5 something. So what we have here, these are attachments. This is the pipe that connects here, and this one goes here. So where's this one? Goes here. So the milk goes from here and drips down to the bottle. Milk, this goes to the breast, and this will give you pressure, air pressure. So milk will go from here and goes there. Milk will not go through this pipe, just the air goes here. And here we have a valve. So when there is suction here, this valve will close and it will suck from this area, and when it pushes, the valve will open and milk will be pushed down. These, I believe, protection for the nipple, so it will not be sore, and it goes like this. Yeah, anyways, huge user manual, English, French, Dutch, German, Italian, Indonesian. So yeah, that's show you how to connect, how to install it, the buttons, whatever. These are all the parts. How to wash it and how to clean it. How to install the batteries. Anyways, we're not interested in all of this. What we are interested in is this one. So let's connect the power adapter and untangle this mess. It's on already. Okay, I switched the air con off so you can hear the sound. Stronger suction. Here I can feel it. Yeah, there is a suction, hard to demonstrate. Anyways, maybe it's better to demonstrate with water. water is not supposed to go there, but I don't know. Yeah, so this is it. So what I'm thinking of doing, I want to make it like a water pump for indoor plants. Like it will automatically pump water into the plants. I thought to make it something like a desoldering pump, but it's not too strong. Let's take it apart. Only 2 screws that I can see. Because I let it suck water, now water everywhere. Okay, easy. What is this? Drainage? Okay, so this is the motor. It's very simple. Where are the electronics? Here, I guess. Yeah. These are all the electronics. No water gone there, but the motor got wet. Where's the power button? Looks like a heart. So there's a membrane there. You can see the at the back, and when the motor rotates, it will pull that diaphragm or whatever, and it will make pressure. And there is a solenoid of some type. Interesting. Yeah, not much to see here, so that's it. Now everything is wet. That's the model number. Made in 2016. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.